Hey everyone, welcome back to Valentine's Week. If your Valentines love spice, this shrimp is the one. This one is called Spicy Lovers Shrimp. For this delicious Spicy Lovers Shrimp, we're going all the way Caribbean style. So here we have our jerk seasoning, and I'm using my jerk seasoning paste. I have some smoked paprika, some curry powder, chives or green onions, thyme, rosemary, red bell pepper, garlic and lots of it, parsley, tomato, lime, some butter, and of course my Scotch bonnet pepper powder. If you cannot find the powder and you can find the whole Scotch bonnet pepper, go ahead and use that. Of course, you'll need your shrimp, and my shrimp is already peeled, deveined, and cleaned, guys. The first thing we have to do, I'm going to go ahead and season my shrimp. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, jerk seasoning, and that's about a teaspoon. Scotch bonnet pepper. And guys, if you will be feeding to the kiddos, just watch the amount of pepper you put in here. The Scotch bonnet pepper is very, very hot, so be careful how much you put in there. I'm going to toss this in. Just make sure all your shrimp is coated. And I can smell my jerk seasoning and my Scotch bonnet pepper. Green onion, garlic, bell pepper, parsley, rosemary, about a teaspoon, thyme, about a teaspoon, juice of a lime, now we are going to mix this all in. That's it. Now we move to the stove top to get this shrimp cooking. I'm going to just melt my butter all the way through before I add my shrimp. I just add my shrimp. This is almost done. I'm going to go ahead and add my tomatoes, the rest of my red bell peppers, so that's it. Remove it from the heat. This is my spicy lovers shrimp. This is part of my Valentine series here on Life by Vern. Come back tomorrow for the next one. That's it, guys. My spicy lovers shrimp. I hope it inspires you to celebrate love. If you're loving Valentine's week, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please check out yesterday's recipe. Until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.